Alright guys, so this video is going to be a get ready me. Okay? I am so exhausted. Oh, so tired, bro. Like, I'm so tired. I don't even think I'm gonna be going to sleep. Today is Monday. I just finished washing my hair. I'm gonna be doing my hair for tomorrow to go to SU. If y'all don't know, Kai's Streamer University. Okay. And I'm gonna apply in person. I already submitted my online, application, but I'm gonna go in person as well because this is going to be a, let's do my hair for Streamers University audition in Atlanta. Yeah, that's it. That's all. So I'm gonna do the blow drying process, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay. Cause your girl, I gotta hurry up because the hairstyle that I want, why am I so extra, bro? Oh, I should have prepared myself yesterday. I thought I would have had a lot of time. I ain't gonna lie. I thought I would have had a lot of time. But tomorrow we're gonna be picking up the rentee at 5 p.m. So right now it's 12:53. It's about to be 1 o'clock in the morning. And it's now I'm starting on my hair. And this hairstyle could possibly take me at least 5 to 6 hours. I don't know. Let me see. I got a little creative with it. I'm gonna show you guys the hair and everything and kind of like ins and outs of the process. It's not going to be a full tutorial, but if you guys want a full tutorial from beginning to end, like just let me know in the comments below and I will set that up for you guys for sure. Because my name is Tdibehr Gemz for a reason. Let me start. I don't want to rap too much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
High volume.
Come rewind. Girl, I got the money if you make your mind. If you're laughing, if you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice. I can make your mind. Girl, I love you cause I never make your mind up. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think that I love you every day. Diamond dance with you, my money I go back. For your love I go back. It ain't making my DJs. I feel it for you every day. When you call, run it back on me back. For your love I go back. For your love I go back.
Ooh, stop. That was pretty quick, I'm not gonna lie. He's right now. Oh, good job. I gotta hurry. I'm supposed to grease my scalp. Yes. Oh, I got the grease. It's upstairs. How do you make it stay at a certain level? Like, how do you lock it in? Like, I don't want you to be this low. We're not gonna. I guess I'm just gonna have to be like this. It's giving braid ready. It's braid ready right now. Yeah, just gotta. Oof. Part of me don't want to do my hair, but I'm gonna do it. Why? Because this is what I do. I go for what I want. And I present myself the way that I envision it. So yes, you have to do your hair because you envisioned it a certain way. So you gotta do it, okay? Self-talk. Don't worry about me. Okay, so hair is fully blow dried. Boom, boom, boom. Do we do a length check before we braid? We usually do that. Let's do it. Length check. Length check. I got lip gloss on, so. The front grows slower than anywhere on my head, so. Okay, time to start sectioning off my hair. I really wish I had my braiding rack. Oh my gosh. It's gonna, all right, less talking, more doing. Yes. Okay, I figured I'd show you guys the inspo really quick. So we're gonna kind of do like a little freestyle in the front, and then it basically like just goes like to one side. I don't know which side I'm gonna put it on yet, but when we get there, we get there. The back, I sectioned it off. This is not sectioned. It just helped me with parting, but this is one, okay. And then I'm gonna freestyle the front, and then here's the back. So all of this is gonna be done in braids. I'm not trying to do them too small, so. Okay, so update, y'all. I am not gonna be doing that hair inspo idea anymore, but I'm gonna do something a little bit more similar and less time consuming. So I figured maybe I should braid this back part of my hair down like I'm about to do like a wig install, and then do crochet, like crochet all the pink hair in, put it in a rod, curl it, dip it in hot water so it could be curly, or braid it and then dip it in hot water. I don't know, whichever curl pattern I'm probably gonna think of. Probably I'll do the braid part, probably dip it in hot water, and then I'll just braid the front. So it's kind of like gonna be the same thing, just the back is not gonna be braids, because y'all, I was about to crash out. I was about to crash out, okay? Bestie saved me, okay, from not crashing out, because I was about to crash out. Yes, I was this close, and I was on TikTok live, and then TikTok kept trying to tell me like, oh, I'm doing things, and it's just, I don't know, the algorithm hates me right now. I don't understand. Like, I went on live, I'm trying to do my hair. The first pop-up for TikTok, they're like, oh, you're showcasing, no, you're exposing body parts. Where? I have pants on and I have a big t-shirt. Exposing what body parts, first of all? And the way the camera was angled definitely was not exposing no body parts, thank you. And then they popped up again like 10 minutes later, and then they were like, oh, you are showcasing a product that makes people leave TikTok to go somewhere else to purchase these products, and we're restricting your life or whatever. So it was just all of that happening all at once. So I changed my mind on the hairstyle that I wanted to do. So I just basically broke it down to you guys, and that's what I'm about to do.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Even low main is child for now. Child. She got me wildin' now. Rory attire, child for now. Child. Yeah, she make it shake, breaking that bait till the bait break. Wow. Yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child. She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex, and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no, I never pressed decline. Took a money, make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. Return policy, she can't be mine. Nah. Yeah, you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child.
From your jaw, wind up your body, come me want you. Tight pussy, girl, cocky call you. Baby, this a what me want you. Wind up your tight pussy, pan a cocky ya. Long till it bend like banana. Come wind up your tight pussy, pan a cocky ya. Long till it bend like banana. And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me push it in at every song corner. Wind up your tight pussy pan the cocky. It long till it bend like banana. Your body good, me up it and coat it. Come in and make just alone, no ask about it. Wind up your body, make me get your teeth it. The bed in the room, but no ask about it. Like you said, give me and give your girl, sit down on it. Up in the Benz and make me start it. But if it is a land, me I go park it. Left it a carnation in the market. Wind up your tight pussy pan the cocky. Long till it bend like banana. Wind up your tight pussy pan the cocky. Long till it bend like banana. And then you done back with your girl, sit down on it.
4:01 in the morning. I still haven't braided the front yet, but I'm almost done with the crochet in the back. Gotta keep adding some more black on the top. I got one more row of black. Back. The crochet part is done. All I have to do is just braid it and dip it in hot water so it can become curly and less poofy. So now I'm just gonna work with the front half of my hair. Let me just do this and call it a day, right? Right? It's 4:23 in the morning. Okay, I'm gonna get this hair started. And then get to the braiding. Hopefully I can be done with this in about an hour. And then done with everything in about an hour and a half.
The day that we met, we were both in a rush. We talked for a sec. You fretted me up so we could connect. And what are the odds? You sent me a text and now the next thing I know, I'm like, manifest that you're oversized. I digress. Got me scrolling like out of breath. Got me going like, who's the cute boy with the white jacket and the thick accent? Like, maybe it's all in my head, but I bet we'd have really good back. How you pick me up, pull down, tell me right now, it just makes sense. How you talk so sweet when you're doing bad things, that's bad. How you looking at me, I know what that means and I'm obsessed. Are you free next week? I bet we'd have really good camaraderie. I mean camaraderie. Said you're not in my time zone, but you wanna be. Where art thou? Why not upon with me? See it in my mind, let's fulfill the prophecy. Who's the cute guy with the white blue eyes and the big bad neck? And I know it sounded a bit redundant, but I bet we'd have really good back. How you pick me up, pull down, tell me right now, it just makes sense. How you talk so sweet when you're doing bad things, that's bad. How you looking at me, I know what that means and I'm obsessed. Are you free next week? I bet we'd have really good. And I bet we both arrive at the same time. And I bet the thermostat set at 6:9. And I bet it's even better in the night. But I bet we'd have really good back.
Okay, don't mind me for like 2 minutes. Good morning, guys. It's 7:12 in the morning. Practically done with my hair. I just dipped it in the hot water, braided it down like I told y'all. And we're gonna unwrap it and unravel it and hope that it turned out good. So the final results will be later on today when I actually put all the decoration and stuff. It looked like it did what I was supposed to do. Let's see. I'm gonna have to snip some of these ends because it look crazy. Honestly, it's on the bottom, it's gonna cover. I think it'll be fine. I'm exhausted. I'm about to go rinse my body down just in case if I have any hairs on my body because I literally already had showered when I washed my hair, but I don't know, I just feel like I need to rinse down. There's the back. I don't know, y'all will see it better tomorrow. I didn't get the hot water to go all the way up here, but nobody got time for that. When I put the decorations, I'm gonna hide it a little bit better, but this is the final result without the decorations. For those who's probably wondering how I did hit this part. I just did 3 cornrows going down just to fill this a little bit more. I don't know, kind of freestyled the thing. And then, yeah, this is how it came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And I'll probably show you guys the final results basically later when I get ready and stuff. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on bell notifications to get notified every time I post a new video and you won't miss out. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's like the perks of doing your own hair. Here are my accessories. I got a pink butterflies and 2 different types of pinks. I'm telling you, I'm pinked out, okay? I'm about to be like, it's because I was gonna do my edges, you know? Okay. So let's pour all of this out because I'm putting all of it in. Put it right here. Butterfly, you know? And then, I don't know, I got some bows. So I think I want to place some bows. It could be on my outfit, it could be on my shoes. I'm probably gonna do it on my shoes, maybe on my socks. Is it doing too much? Is it doing too much? How we feel about it? Okay, here comes the fun part. I also have these little croc shoe sock, whatever, jewelry. And yes, I'm about to do exactly what you think I'm about to do. Like they some real paper clips for real. Put another one right here. You're gonna be like, you got a paper clip in your hat? Like, bitch, I know. You know, there's placements when it comes to this. Paper clip, paper clip. Let's make a pattern now. Let's make a pattern. Give me a pink one. Give me a pink. Okay. Give me another pinky. A pinky. Give me another pinky. A pinky. Give me a white. Yeah. I like seeing my friends like who do content creation as well be so motivated and be like, yes, let's do it. You know, I was like, I'm going to Atlanta. I'm gonna drive, and I think we should all go because we all applied. And this would be so fun, like our first basically road trip together. And I think that would be like so cool, bro, if we all go together and do this together. And they was so down for it. I was like, oh my gosh, yay. I was thinking about putting all this, but no. I'm gonna incorporate that in my outfit. I'm basically done with my hair, and I gotta go.